If you want to make your videos more fun, more expressive, and way more engaging, adding emojis in CapCut is one of the easiest tricks you can use. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add emoji to your videos in CapCut on desktop for free, step by step, so you can place animated emojis right inside your edit without any confusion. This is perfect for creators who want to highlight reactions, add personality, or make their content feel more dynamic and polished. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut Desktop and launch your project. If you already have your video clip, onto the timeline track so you can start editing. This is important because the emoji needs to be placed on top of your video, and the timeline is where you control exactly when it appears. Once your clip is on the timeline, look toward the top left menu panel and click on the Stickers tab. This is where CapCut stores a lot of fun graphic elements, and it includes the emoji options you're looking for. When the Stickers panel opens, you'll see different categories on the sidebar. From there, click on the dedicated emoji category if you see it, or use the search bar and type in emoji. That makes it much faster if you don't want to scroll through all the sticker options manually. Now browse through the emoji choices until you find one you like. CapCut offers fun pre-animated emojis, which means they can add motion and energy to your video without you needing to animate anything yourself. When you find the emoji you want, hover over it and click the download button, which usually looks like a downward arrow icon. After it's downloaded, click the green plus icon to add it directly to your timeline. At this point, the emoji will appear as its own layer above your video. That's exactly what you want, because it means you can control it independently. Click on the emoji layer in the timeline and drag the edges to make it stay on screen for a longer or shorter amount of time. If the emoji appears too early or too late, just move the layer along the timeline until it lines up with the moment in your video where you want it to appear. Next, use the playback viewer to fine-tune the emoji's position. You can drag it around the screen, resize it, and place it wherever it fits best. For example, you might put it near a facial reaction, beside a caption, or next to an important point in your video. The goal is to make it look natural and intentional, not distracting. If you want a cleaner edit, keep the emoji on screen only for the exact moment you need it. Shorter placements often look more professional and keep the viewer focused on the main content. But if you're going for a more playful style, you can extend the emoji a little longer to make the video feel more lively. And that's it. You've now learned how to add emoji to your videos in CapCut on desktop for free. It's a simple edit, but it can make a huge difference in how your content feels to viewers. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.